Namaskar friends, welcome to you on Rocketron family. Today I am going to present you good earning platform named as Soon Rocketron. Rocketron is a fully decentralized TRX based concept where you can earn million of TRX by simply joining this concept. Rocketron is the world best concept because this is the automatically as well as manual concept where you can upgrade your label by working or by advance by slots option. Rocketron giving you opportunity to earn millions of TRX as 100% genuine concept. So without any delay I am going to show you plan of Rocketron. As well as in Rocketron there is also great things of re-entry in autopool. We will discuss it in autopool slot system. So dear friends, this is a 16 slot concept. Start with the 50 TRX and end with the 16 lakh 38,400 TRX, as I'll show you in the chart. This is start from 50 TRX as shown in here and end it with the 16th slot, that the amount was 16,38,400. That means you can earn from 50 TRX to 16 lakh TRX as by referring to your friends. And if we will calculate it from first slot, that is 50 to till 16 slot, the accumulation of TRX is more than 49 lakhs from your one referral, 1 to 3 referrals. That means you fill up it all circles 1, 2 and 3 are A, B and C. As well as you know friends, it start from 50 TRX, 100 TRX, and your ID place on the two places. There's a 50 in working slot and 50 in non-working slot. As you can start here with the 100 trons, but you can, if you want to start with the maximum slots, so you can start with the 50, 100, 200, 400, 800 and 1600, as you want to earn money by referring to your friends with multiple slots option. So here is the option of two option is available for you, that is automatic and manual, as depend on you what type of income you want to earn and fast. That means friends, you can earn daily as you want, approx 10,000 TRX, 1 lakh TRX, 2 lakh TRX, as you want. Now you can start earning by working in working pool by referring your friends, as you know friends. Now friends, in working pool, as you see, every slots having the 3 vacant slots, 3 vacant circle, 1, 2, 3. As you start working in the working slots, as you know friends, your ID places in the two place. First is the working slots. Here you start with your registration with 100 trons, and the ID places in the two places. That's the 50 in working slot and 50 in non-working slot. After that friends, you can get income, direct label autopool income and label autopool income. One by one we will understand. The direct income is known as the working slots. Here you can start with the 50 first slot. Multiple slots you can start by the multiple slots, but if you want to earn manually, or your ID places in the two places, first is the 50. Here you have the 3 vacant circle, and you need to fill all these circles A, B, C. And if you referring to a friends who join with you, the first circle will be filled. This circle, first circle will be filled, and you will get 50 Tron at once in your wallet within 2 minutes. If you refer a friends and friends will join with you, then you will get first circle will filled and you will get 50 TRX in your wallet. After that, friends, you have 2 more circles where you want to fill it. You need to fill it. If B person join with you, and this also you will also hear 50 Tron also more, but these 50 Tron will be on hold position. That means this circle income will be hold in the system, because this is the automatic upgradation plan. And after that, you refer more friends, and the third circle also will be filled. In that time, the 50 of B circle and the 50 of C circles. That means accumulation of 50 and 50 is 100, and here your next slot 100 slot will be purchased automatically, upgraded automatically by B and C circle. And here you also have the chance to earn more Tron in 100 slots. Here, friends, your 3 partners A, B and C are filled, and these want to copy your plan, and he also need to make each 3 partners. That means A make 3 partners, B need to make 3 partners, and C need to make 3 partners. And here, if suppose A, B and C, in which who is completed first their 3 partners. Suppose C is completed their 3 partners, they will be placed in the first circle of 100 slots, 100 circles. Here, as this circle will filled, you will also get 100 Tron immediately in your wallet. And these 2 partners also need to complete their 3 partners, and if in which who's completed first their partner, they will placed in the second circle, and this circle is also hold your earn. And the third one, after that, the third one completed their 3 partners, they will placed in the third circle of 100 slots, and here you will be upgraded to the 200 slots by 100 second circle and 100 third circle. 100 plus 100 is 200, and the 200 slots will be purchased, and same here will be continued, and in each circle you will earn 100% income of your first circle in each slot. That means here you will achieve 200, you will earn here 400, you will earn here 800, you will earn here 1600, as well as you match, your slot will be upgraded, your earning will be upgraded. Here you will achieve 12,800, here 25,000, here 51, as well as here you will achieve 16,38,400. But in this circle, in the second and third circle, here is the no chance to upgrade any other slots, because the 16th slot is the last slot. Here you will earn from the first circle 100%, 16,38,400, and also you will get the same amount from the second circle. But in the third circle, this circle will be recycled to your upline, and you will be out from the system if you have only 3 direct person. But if you have the multiple direct IDs, your income will be automatically increases and upgraded after the 3 person. Suppose here you will see you have the 3% direct, 1, 2 and 3. If you have the more than the 3 direct, then you will achieve from the 5th, from the 4th, 1st, 2nd and 3rd. And if you have the partner 4th, then they will place in the here and you will earn 50 tron more. And if you have the 5th one, also you earn 50 TRX more. But you have the 6th person, they will your direct, but these income, these tron will be recycled and goes to your upline. Suppose you have a referral income, you have a refer person, they will work very fast and have the multiple referral IDs. They have the 10 or 14 or 20 direct joining. The first goes to him, the 3rd and 4th goes to the upgrade, but the 5th goes direct to him and 4th goes direct to him and 5th also goes to direct him, but 6th goes to you, and 7th goes to direct him and 8th goes to direct him, but 9th goes to you. So you can earn more of trons here in this concept by referring more people to your direct. So friends, the work income is here, and now we will discuss about the non-working concept that we knows at auto pool income. As you know friends, earlier I have discussed with you your ID places in the two place, 50 in the working slot and 50 in the non-working slots. Here we will discuss the non-working slots as well as we will known as the auto pool income. Suppose these auto pool income is depend on the globally IDs. That means there is no mean of cross line, up line, down line or any other. After your joining, if the IDs come in the system from anywhere, they will place by the top to bottom and left to right automatically by the system. Suppose before you 10 peoples are in the queue, and after that you have the chance to earn in auto pool system. Here if the any ID places on the below your IDs, then your first circle will be filled. And here you know friends, in the auto pool system your earning will be 50% and 50% goes to the your 3 upline. As example, any ID places in the your below your auto pool, that means you get 50 tron. That means here places ID with the 50 TRX, and the 50 TRX 50% is 25 tron. 25 tricks goes to you, and the rest 25 tron goes to your 3 upline, 10 to your direct and 10 to the direct to direct and 5 to their direct. As well as the second circle filled and the third circle filled, that goes to the upgradation directly to the 100 slots. In here if your 100 slots will be upgraded, and here also ID is placed to the 100 circles in the first 100 slots in the first circle, that you will get 50 tricks direct to you and 50 goes to the your 3 upline. That means 20, 20 and 10. After that the second and third circle filled, this goes to upgradation to the 200 slots. As you know, the same process will be continued, and you will earn here in the 16th slot. When you completed the 16th slot, you will get the 49 lakh tron. As example, because here the first circle when it completed, you will get the 50%. That means 16 lakh 38 divided by 2, that means 50% is the 8,19,200, and the rest 50% goes to the 3 upline, that means 3 lakh, 3 lakh and 1,63,000. But here is the no chance to upgrade in the next slot, so that the rest income goes to you. In the third circle also you will get the 100% 16,38,000, and the third circles, from the third circles also you get 16,38,400 TRX. That means if we will calculate it, more than 49 lakh TRX you will earn in the Autopool system by globally work. So friends, the system is very strong. There is 100% decentralized system and 100% distribution. We will understand the direct Autopool level income by the chart. As you know friends, if any referral will achieve the Autopool income, that means you will also get the some referral income, some label income. That means if your referral get 25 TRX, if your referral have any IDs of 50 trons, that means he will get 25 TRX. That means the 50% of 50 TRX, that means is 25. And you will also get, your 3 upline also will get the label income, that means 10, 10 and 5. The 50 distributed is here, and the 50 tron is distributed in the 3 upline, 10, 10 and 5. As well as friends, your referral when get 50 TRX income, that means in the slots of 100 Autopool income, they will achieve the 50 of 100 TRX, that means the 50 TRX. And 50 TRX get your referral, but you also get 20 TRX, your upline get 20 TRX, and the super upline get 10 TRX. As well as it will continue if your referral comes in 200 slots, the your referral get 100 TRX, but you also get 40 TRX, your upline get 40 TRX, and your super upline get 20 TRX. As these slides will continue, and you will earn in the 16 slots up to the 16 slot from the first slot, that means your referral get 16,38,375 trons, but you get also 6,55,000, your upline also get 6,55,000, and your super upline also get 3,27,000 trons. So friends, here if your any referral comes in the pass out in the 16 slots, you will get also receive the 6 lakh tron. So friends, think about the system, think about the plan. This plan is very strong, and you will get much more TRX as you want in the working slots and as well as in the non-working slots. Here you can place your ID with the 2 apps, that one is TronLink Pro and the second one is Token Pocket. After that you have no any chance to join with any other apps. And as well as you know, you can sell your cryptocurrencies on JetPay, Crypto Exchange, WazirX, as well as many of the apps available in the Play Store, where you can sell and buy these apps. Here I want to discuss one more things about re-entry in the system. As you know friends, you can work with the 50 as well as the multiple slots if you want to earn more fast tron. And here we will discuss about the re-entry system in Autopool. Suppose friends, your referral or you get first Autopool income, that is 25 tron, this is, and after that you will upgraded in the 100 slots. Here you will get 50% tron, that means 50 tron. and in the 200 slots here you will get the 50%, that means the 100 TRX U, and your also uplines get the 40/40, and in the rest 50% distributed in the 3 upline. But here the system will start the re-entry. Re-entry, that means here if you reaches in this place, in this slots, your re-entry will be started, and the total from the first from the third slots to the 16 slots, here your multiple IDs places in the system automatically by the same wallets, by the same wallets in this system, and the total re-entry was, the total re-entry will be 8000. Suppose friends, if you get 8000 re-entry, that means you get more income 8000 times, and your upline also get the income 8000 times, 8000 more times. Every your third level upline get 8000 times more income, and also you will, also friends, you will get 8000 more time tricks by the single person. If you have multiple direct referral, then you get the multiple time of 8000, multiple times of 8000 tricks to your wallets. That means if you have the 20 direct referral to your, if you have the 20 referral to your direct, you will get 8000 from each one. That means you will get 16, you will get more, as much you can achieve. So here friends, the chance of earn from re-entry, here the chance of earn auto pull, here is chance of earn label income, here is chance of earn rocket working income. So friends, here is the more chance to earn more income. So don't get delayed to earn these income. Start your earning by joining in this concept. If have you any doubt, you can also call me, you can also WhatsApp me. I will clear your doubts, and you will achieve here 100% more and more Tron. Thank you very much.